Hi, my name is Dr. Kim Baldwin, and I offer a variety of training courses and services within the drone industry. I offer two main types of training courses. I have my virtual training academy with over 15 different classes in terms of drone flying, commercial operations, mapping, monitoring, as well as a lot of specialized courses such as coastal and marine surveys, disaster management, agriculture, industrial inspections, and more. So I encourage you to check out my online training academy. Many of these classes are actually free. On top of that, I do offer in person training boot camps. This is what my students call it because this is a 1 week intensive training program. My most popular training boot camp is commercial operations and professional piloting with an introduction to drone mapping and monitoring. So, what's in that course? That course, we start off with drone policies and standard operating procedures for commercial operations. We learn how to fly safely and effectively, applying commercial operational procedures. This is a professional level certification course for professional drone pilots. On top of that, this is a 5 day intensive training. We also learn and apply drone mapping surveys, whether it be for environmental mapping, disaster management, agriculture, or perhaps inspections. For a variety of case studies, we go out and we fly the drones and we apply automated surveys and we learn a variety of different mapping and monitoring surveys or inspection workflows. And we learn how to process this data and analyze it using off the shelf AI tools and different apps that are built in to the drone mapping software. And then we learn how to export and report this data as well. So this is a very intense 1 week training program, but my most popular course is my blended approach, which is a combination of virtual and in person together with a longer term coaching program where you go out and you continue to work on your sites and create data and information. And I hold your hand and coach you and keep you on track. So I offer a variety of different training programs. I encourage you to reach out today and let me help you identify the best solution for you.